through the week, you'll need stone-covered boxes. So start by wrapping a bunch, at least 3 per crew. Don't worry, these boulders are lightweight and easy to move. No forklifts needed. Day 1 is a drought. No water in sight. But setting up a water backdrop behind your desert sand will make switching to other days a breeze. Remember those boxes you wrapped? Time to set them up around the edge of the room. Never has a stone wall been built this quickly. Add a touch of whimsy to your great outdoors by placing a fake plant somewhere off to the side. Putting down crew blankets helps crews quickly find a place to sit together. Set out baskets with the other supplies you'll need, like crepe paper and stuffed animals. Refer to the Deep Bible Adventures Station Leader Manual for a full list.